Hey guys, so my friend's almost here. We're about to start building. Just gonna go over all the parts real quick because you probably didn't see all of them when I unboxed them because I didn't unbox every single one. So you've seen this already. It's a AMD Athlon X4 750K, blah blah blah. You saw it in the unboxing probably. CPU, we're gonna do good. Motherboard, MSI FM2 A75 E35, long name. Graphics card, HIS, Radeon HD 7950. No, okay. 7790, sorry, I don't have that kind of money. CX 500 power supply, Corsair, got Windows 8 64-bit. You got 320 gigabyte Western Digital Caviar Blue hard drive. Move that. 4 gigabytes of Kingston HyperX Blue RAM. And LG basic optical drive, nothing. Random off-brand card reader, should do fine. Wi-Fi adapter from Rosewill, and 2 NZXT fans to add to the case, which is an NZXT Source 210 Elite. So yeah, and there's my random HP monitor if I have to ever. So yeah, I'll see you guys with updates throughout the build, and I can't wait to get this done.
Joe has put the CPU in the motherboard.
Okay. Oh, I didn't see there was 2. That's my problem. Are you actually recording anything? Okay, you're recording. Good. So, let's do this.
Your hand's in the way now, bud. No way. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa, what did I do?
I don't know what you did.
I don't either.
You don't know how to work this camera very well, do you?
Nope.
Shoot. There we go. Wait. There we go. Okay, we got it. We got it. We're good. Almost. Brakes computer. There we go. So put this down. Shoot. Okay, there we go.
Joe, you have to put that one on the plastic retention arm. Yeah, no kidding.
There we go. Okay. Okay.
Whoa. Joe, I forgot which button was the focus button.
Turning it. We're turning it. We're turning it. Oh, we're turning it. Oh, there we go. It is
Intense.
No, get over here, get over here. No.
Why?
Start getting the CPU fan.
But it's not all focused. It's all blurry.
Too bad. It's your fault for being bad at this.
I know. I don't know which button is the focus button. I
This
forgot.
one, you lightly press this.
It's not working. Just makes it blurry still.
Here. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. So intense.
Dun-na. Dun-na. Dun-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Shoot.
Maybe it's it backwards, Joe.
It's not.
Alright, do it the other way then.
Yeah, it's not backward.
Is it?
There we go. Let's plug in.
We got it.
Okay.
Joe is screwing in the power supply while I'm holding it.
No way.
How do I stop my recording? I just want to pause it.
Getting the RAM in. It looks really purple on camera, but it's actually blue.
Joe's a pervert.
Oh wait, I should probably put clips back. I don't know why that one's already like that. Can you hear me good? Yeah. Am I at a good sound level? You're what? Yeah, you're good. Can you turn me up then? Because I'm yelling right now. Okay, 1 second. Don't be taking my butt.
I'm not. Why would I do such a thing?
Because you're cool. You're weird. Okay.
I'm not a pervert like you.
I'm not pervert cool.
Yeah, you are.
Okay, this is supposed to snap in, I think. Oh, dang it.
Maybe it's supposed to go on the other one.
No, Cole, you can't put it in the wrong way. Crap, I need to open my editor.
You put it in. Below.
1 hour later, we have the motherboard in. That was scary. Graphics card down.
I drove.
You don't have to keep recording.
Is it in?
Now it is. We have the graphics card installed. That was scary as crap. And this camera makes everything look blue.
I know.
So, let's go. Let's do the rest. Okay, so we spent like an hour trying to get this motherboard cable to actually connect, and it's not all the way. The first time it didn't even power on. Hopefully it'll power on this time, but that thing that you just looked at will not freaking click in. But let's see how this does. We need to plug in the
Is it on?
Yeah, we need to plug in the motherboard cable.
Do we really?
That's it.
Are you sure?
Okay. I've done this intro so many times, I'm going to stop talking now. But short story is, we tried for like an hour to plug this motherboard cable, and we think it's in enough, but it's not clicking, so... We tried to power it on. One time the motherboard cable wasn't in enough. Second time the power supply wasn't, and the computer wasn't plugged in. So let's see what it does this time. Power supply is turned on, correct? Nope. Okay, let's try this. Nope.
Nope. Is the monitor turned on?
Just turn on. See that light. Okay, so numerous tries. Let's turn this thing on again. And power supply's not turned on. See if this does anything. Yes!
What?
Fans are moving. That's a good sign.
I missed it. I'm so excited.
Don't worry, it's on video.
Oh, motherboard's coming on. Oh, yeah, the motherboard. The monitor's coming on.
Smell? It's probably just a... Yeah.
To run setup. Press F1 to run setup.
I see a light.
I feel fan air. Yes, we have it. We have it going.
No, it's good.
Oh, okay.
We have it. Okay.
Wow.
I'll be back when everything is set up. So, it is complete. It's working. There it is up there with my Super Nintendo background that hopefully doesn't get taken down by YouTube. And inside the computer, you can see there is our graphics card, CPU with the fan, sorry about the lighting, and power supply, hard drive, disk drive, card reader, all that good stuff is on the front. So yeah, hopefully this means that there's going to be lots of videos coming soon, and we'll see how this works for editing and all that. So yeah, thanks for watching. So here we have the computer in the final setup. You can see it right there. Monitor, keyboard, and so yeah, it's working pretty well. There's a few technical things I had to sort out, but that's just normal stuff of programs not liking Windows 8 mostly. But yeah, you see it here. It's on the piece of tile, so it doesn't just get suffocated by the carpet. And you got the Xbox controller for playing PC games, Wi-Fi. Got the monitor up here, so I'm about to start editing this video. And you have the speakers right there, and there. So yeah, that's the computer in the final setup, and let's get to making some video.